Hey, crypto enthusiasts! It's Asalov here, and today I'm thrilled to dive into the world of the Buffalo Network, a cutting-edge platform that's making waves in the crypto community. If you're fascinated by the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies and looking for an accessible entry point, you've come to the right place. Buffalo Network is an innovative app designed to make crypto earning straightforward and engaging, especially for beginners. It leverages the power of the Binance Smart Chain and Polygon networks to offer low-fee, fast transactions, making it an ideal choice for those eager to get started with DeFi and crypto earning. The app is recognized for its user-friendly interface and is part of a broader ecosystem, including Buffs, and Buffalo BNB tokens, mirroring the success of ecosystems like Shiba Inu Softonic. One of the most exciting aspects of Buffalo Network is Buffalo BNB, a token designed to reward holders and contribute to the community's growth. This token embodies the spirit of community-driven initiatives in the crypto world, offering benefits like smart staking systems and rewards in BNB for holding tokens. It's an example of how Buffalo Network is more than just a platform. It's a community dedicated to fostering growth and offering rewards to its members. Buffalo Network app. For those of you interested in getting involved, the referral code for joining Buffalo Network won't be directly mentioned here, but don't worry. You can easily find it in the video description below and displayed on your screen. By using this code, you're not just joining a platform, you're becoming part of a community that supports each other in exploring the potential of cryptocurrencies. The authenticity and potential of Buffalo Network have been a topic of discussion, and I've done my homework to ensure you're getting the real deal. With over 50,000 downloads and a high user rating, the Buffalo Network app stands as a testament to its legitimacy and promise in the crypto world. Personal finance secrets. Now, I'm not just here to share, I'm here to build a community of informed, enthusiastic crypto adventurers. This is only my second video, but there's plenty more on the horizon. Dive into my profile, explore past content, and stay tuned for all the exciting updates I'll be bringing to you. Remember, the world of crypto is vast and full of opportunities, and with Buffalo Network, we're just getting started. So, let's embark on this journey together, and who knows, the next crypto success story could be yours. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description for more information and the referral code. See you in the next video.